celebrate Nation Builders Awards Gala and my birthday. I mustn't forget that. But I'm most blown away by people who've come from far and wide to celebrate this occasion. I'm talking from St. Lucia, Grenada, Jamaica, UK, across the US. If in fact people that don't know me, people that tell me I follow you on Facebook, that blows my heart away. When people that follow you on Facebook show up for your party, I think you got something going. And I'm so honored. I don't take it for granted. So for those of you who couldn't be here, my heart goes with you. For those of you who are here tonight, I pray that we have the most fantastic time ever. And I am super grateful for those who've come together to make this happen. I'm talking about the guy recording this right now, Jamil. I'm talking about Sabina, who put up the decoration. I'm talking about Iyante, who's been negotiating all the contracts. I'm talking about everybody, right? The red carpet, the balloons, super honored. It's Alex Ihama, and this is my 2023 celebration of purpose and grace.
This evening I have my mom and my daughter here, and we're here to enjoy this leadership conference and celebrate all that Alex is doing for the community, bringing these amazing leaders together. So we're here to celebrate and to enjoy and of course to network. Thank you.
I'm here to attend the Canada Leadership Summit 2023 to celebrate Alex Ihama Nozahare and his numerous achievements over 25 years, but also to celebrate the works of different national transformational leaders across Canada. I'm looking forward to learning, relearning, but also applying what I've learned to support my communities.
I know Alex for a while, and I mean, he just had a birthday, and you know, he has this incredible event, so I had to come out and support him.
Well, we're here to celebrate my dad, Alex Ihama, and learn about leadership and passion and celebrate his life.
Go ahead, it's your time, baby. It's your time, baby. Get wild, baby.
I'm from the Benin Kingdom, and Alex is from the Benin Kingdom as well. So it's my brother.
Make me stop the world.
Well, this has been a wonderful experience, and at the heart of the matter is when I accepted responsibility, intercessory responsibility for a new daughter from Somaliland, and here she is.
For this great conference right here, and meeting all the different delegates that are coming from global areas. So we are excited for transformation this weekend.
Well, Alex actually did, and the great work that he's doing. So I just wanted to be a part of it to be able to support him. So that's why I'm here tonight.
It's your time, baby. It's your time, baby.
I want to congratulate our friend Alex on a milestone celebration, and I pray that God continue to grant him good health.
Well, I'm very pleased to be here this evening to meet so many people who are not only celebrating Alex Ihama's birthday, but also marking the occasion where we can come as community builders to interact with each other.
I'm here to celebrate with Alex Ihama, my coach.
And we're just coming to celebrate with the celebrant.
The summit was just awesome today, and right now, wonderful time.
You know, when I first saw Alex, is so passionate that he grabs people and people that think like him, and it's so rare that you get that connection.
You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl insult, oh. I'm a mind that's you the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that get both. Like the Baba Frayo, my ayo, don't cry, yo. I need to go and shayo. 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 Obama. I dey try to buy moto, want Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now some more to remake could have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young cast, last. Now everybody go job breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love.
And I hope you rise up today and be very, very intentional, as they say, to raise up leaders of the next generation.